Hello! I got a new camera. I got it for $70 on Craigslist, and I'm super excited to see how it does fishing. I'm gonna add better close-up shots of them here. Yeah, pretty much I put it on my head or my chest, but the one on the chest normally always has my hands in it. Yeah, this is just an action sport camera that I'm super excited I got for $70. This will be a showcase between the old one, which I only did 1080p, and this one that goes up to 4K. Let's watch. Holy, this is a good one. .3 kg. Oh, I finally got one. This one seems like a decent one. Holy shit, this is a good one. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, it's a good one. It's a good one. It's a good one, yo. Holy fuck, this is a good one. No! Fuck! God damn it. 2 fish that way. Now I'm gonna try in this back corner over here, which I normally always catch something. Ooh, there's a bite, there's a bite. Another one. It's so hard getting them out of this. Hopefully I can. This one's pretty okay. Come on. Oh, this one's decent. Well, still not as big as that first one. He's about a good pound or so. Hopefully that get me some too. Oh, this one's a bite. This one's a bite. This one's a bite. There we go. There we go. He's not that big though. He's not that big. This is the hardest part, getting them out. Come on. Come on. Get out. Got another one. He's not that big though. I'm really mad I missed that first one. He was definitely at least 2 pounds. All right, at least I'm making a somewhat of a comeback up here. 3 fish.